We are Steve and Jill.
Together, we've been buying and reselling land since the 90s.
Our data-centric approach leaves our buyers asking, how can you sell it so cheap?
Here on the Land Academy Show,
We answer that and more. Steve and Jill.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Oh my gosh, I hadn't thought about that.
Yep.
Welcome to the Land Academy Show and welcome to Thanksgiving. If you're listening to this, shouldn't you be doing something else right now?
You are sick of your family, aren't you?
Entertaining land investment talk. I'm Stephen Jack Butella.
And I'm Jill DeWitt, broadcasting from the Valley of the Sun and hosting a big meal.
Today is Jack Thursday. I'm going to talk about the challenges of the times we live in, Thanksgiving style.
This is the biggest one I've ever done.
Shouldn't you guys have something better to do than recording a show and talking to us on Thanksgiving? We recorded it weeks earlier.
I know.
What, Jill?
But I'll post something. I'll do some stuff on social media today so you can see our little bash and our event. This is the biggest bird. We have a almost 26-pound bird. It's awesome.
That's one of two.
That's true.
Jill's got Jill's a pilot, so she's got redundancy.
Oh, I do. Yeah, they're backups.
There's two of everything in case one fails.
That's true.
Before we get into it, let's take a question posted by one of our members on the landinvestors.com online community. It's free. And don't forget to subscribe on the Land Academy YouTube channel and comment on the shows you like.
Greg wrote, so listing on eBay question here. When I'm listing land for sale on eBay, what is the best day of the week and time of day for the auction to end? This is awesome.
Here's my actual response. This is a question in Discord. This is what I typed in. I'm going to read it to you, and then Jill's going to make fun of it.
You have decades of you have a lot of experience, years of experience.
It said, hello, eBayers.
Yeah.
If you post or schedule a $1 no reserve 30-day auction on any Friday, any given Friday, it'll close on 30 days later on a Sunday. For a point of reference, we posted at about 6 p.m. Eastern time, or scheduled it so it would close at that same time on a Sunday, 30 days later. With a decade-long strategy, we sold about $20 million of property at an overall 60% gross margin. It took a staff of about 8 people working full-time and all that's associated with that, the expense and the drama, you can imagine. As a simple reference point, now, and I'm going to this is the point of the show. Fast forward to this year, as a simple reference point, we'll generate about $2 million net. That's net, not gross. This year, buying and selling land with a part-time staff of 2 1099s happily working at home. I'm not bragging here at all, but all of us in this Land Academy environment have all the tools, including all the money you would ever need, and all the relationships to make millions of dollars a year with very little effort and risk and commitment.
I hope, Justice, you saw that post and read that, because that ties into what we were talking about last week on Clubhouse.
I spent decades, look,
that's really cool.
We always had food on the table, Jill and I. Mm-hmm. I've always had food on the table.
Mm-hmm.
But we spent collectively and individually a lot of time failing at real estate and other stuff in life, so you don't have to. It's Thanksgiving, so that's what I want, I want to convey that. I hope you're as thankful, whether you're a Land Academy member or not, for everything, how this works.
Mm-hmm.
Today's Jack's Thursday. I'm going to talk about the challenges of the times that we live in. This is why you're listening.
I like the thankful conversation. Are you going to talk about that more?
Yeah, I'm going to list some stuff, some of the challenges that we have in our world right now. And I want you to think about, as a land investor or hopefully a person that maybe buying and selling land is a side gig for you. Maybe it's a full-time gig and you're staring at a big turkey because you had a good year. But I want you to think about, I'm going to list the stuff that I think is going on in the world and think about whether or not you're subjected to it, personally or professionally. We have a dramatic lack of workers right now. Do you? I don't think so, because you don't need that many. We are subject to hyperinflation. The entire world is, specifically this country. You know what the greatest hedge for inflation is? Land. Cool. Because everybody wants to work from home. Congratulations. That's where we work. That's what this business model is all about. We have a decimated Supply chain. Well, we don't need anything except a couple of computers and a chair to sit on and a cell phone. There are companies like Ford who have billions of dollars in inventory that they can't release because it's not done yet. They still need chips. We don't have any of those issues at all. Future uncertainty. I've never felt future uncertainty in my entire life in this career. Have you?
Nope.
I know exactly how many letters we're going to send out next month. I can tell you plus or minus 10% how many transactions we're going to get back. And depending on Jill's mood, how many deals we're going to do. That's the uncertainty in my life, Jill's mood.
That's hilarious. I love it.
COVID. Does COVID affect us? I don't think so.
If anything, it helps us because people are on their computers.
It
And
also
they're online
is
and
driving
they're
everybody,
seeing our properties and they're
driving
home.
everybody to the rural scenario.
They want to buy the dirt. They want to make their dream ranch.
Polarity in politics. We're all subject to it, whether we like it or not. Does that have anything to do with what we do? Do we have any politicians deciding what we do? Not really. Not in the immediate future, no. Last time I checked, buying and selling land is probably not going to become illegal or politicized like many things. So happy Thanksgiving. You chose the right career.
Yeah. I love how you word things. It sounds bad, but then you're like, no, but it's good. I'm like, okay, got it. Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well,
You want to talk about Thanksgiving? Or I just feel very, very, very fortunate, and the truth is when this COVID thing hit and everything that followed it, and inflation and all kinds of stuff, work at home, I honestly thought it was over. I thought, and if you go back and listen to those podcasts or at that time, we're like just batting the hatches down because we're in for a 2010 like recession, and the exact opposite happened.
And then we bought a pizza place to add insult to injury. We're like, okay, now it's going to happen with this.
Yeah.
So, and it all worked out.
Right.
It did work out. I want to have more of these conversations between now and the end of the year. So I want to, just a minute. It's Thanksgiving. This is a time to be thankful and really appreciate what we have. Even if you're just getting started in this, hey, you found us, you're here. You have something to look forward to. You got oodles of people that can show you the way and that will help you and loan you money if you really want to do this, and they'll get you there because it's happening. We're all doing it. I'm very thankful for our team. I'm thankful for you. I'm thankful for you. I'm thankful for our Land Academy members, the whole community. What an amazing group that we have. We did it and we're doing it. And I can't, I don't want to jinx anything, but I think we've got this.
I do too.
And I'm excited for next year. All I keep hearing is people running out of inventory.
Me too.
That's our only issues.
Me too.
Like, shoot, I wish I would have bought 5 more of those kind of thing. I've even done that. Like recently, I've gone back and looked at some deals I kicked to the curb, and I'm like, I might go back and buy that now. That price that they said is not so crazy. I can make this work because I need more dirt because now I see what's possible and I see what's coming. So I hope you have a great holiday. This was good. Thank you. Need to send out a few thousand offers to property owners like us? Check out offers and the 2owners.com. So it's offers2owners.com. No setup fees, free mail merge, exceptional service, and now including just released for everyone, concierge data and pricing. It's awesome. Give Offers to Owners a call today. And I'm happy you could join us today. 5 days a week, you can find us here on the Land Academy Show.
Tomorrow is Jill Friday, and she's going to talk about what Jill learned from her CEO club. Mm-hmm. You are not alone in your real estate ambition. It's funny thinking of you in a CEO club in a good way.
Thank you. Thank you. Why is it funny? I don't know.
It's you know what? It's not, and funny is not the word. It's like, I feel pride is what I mean.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. And thank you for tuning in. We hope you find this valuable. And boy, do we appreciate your support. If you haven't already, please, I know it's a broken record, but check out our YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button.
We are Steve and Jill. Information
and inspiration.
to buy undervalued property.
We hope you find our content valuable and we appreciate your support. If you have not already, please check out our channel and hit the subscribe button.
And your comments and suggestions help us to create the content you're here for. Hitting the like button helps to support our channel's algorithm and gauge your interest for future shows.